All right, that was a run test. Here's the brass. So the basic run of this was basically about 1 gallon a minute. I times weighed the case feeder. It was at 13.5 pounds of brass per minute. So it's variable speed. Okay, I was running at 18 and a half volts. You can run faster. It is a 24 volt system. The faster you run, the more you're going to get a bad sort. So here's the story. There's your 223 380. Then we'd come over to here and we'd look through it. If we are getting 223 in the 9mm mix, it is being overfed. Now I don't see any, but I will say for sure if we dug through here, there are going to be some. So if I was sorting for myself, I would reduce the speed down to a consistent speed where I had 223 and not as much worry about the time. Now on this particular one, the 40, 45, anything larger came off the end. This screen here, the end screen is all 9mm. This screen here is all 380. The other way to do it, if you want to run faster, put two 380 units and two 9mm units. But dang near 13 pounds of brass in a minute for the price structure I'm at, I don't think there's no complaints. So there you go. This is going over to Czechoslovakia. So there is a crate for it. So we're going to be shipping this out. Next one goes Armenia, then Sweden. I don't know, overseas been crazy lately. So there you go. And then same thing with the variable speed control. Right there. You only got to run it and those black marks. Don't overfeed it. Again, you can check the angles. Angle makes a difference. You know, the flatter you get it, the less it is. This is dropping about 2 inches per drum. And if you got a flatter, it just a better sort, but pretty dang good. Again, reloadingsystems.com for all your brass sorting needs. One other note, if you look at how the brass is piled, and then look at this end bin, this is the end of the 9. You see how effective this is? About 95% is coming out of the first section. And kind of the same thing with the 223 too. So it is very effective. And then it's going in the spout. So about 95% there. Yeah, maybe 80%. 223 seems to hang on. Then the other 20 there. And then 9mm. We also do make these in other calipers. So if you're looking, a lot of times it's just better to call me. Tell me what your needs are and we'll build you something. I have a very interesting one that I'm building for Range Cleanup Company that currently has 250,000 pounds of brass. Did not believe it till I saw the pictures, and that's one of 13 locations. So we're going to see what we can do for him. Get the rocks out.